Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Howdy. The best internet resources about how to restore an iPhone with iTunes 7.5. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to restore an iPhone with iTunes 7.5 is en.softonic.com. See the page titled Restore iPhone without iTunes free download, Softonic. Here's the link. You can also try thebigbos.org, especially the page Restore iPhone to Factory State ePhone Troubleshooting Guide. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see modemye.com. The web page iTunes 7.5 no option of Restore folder, Apple, iPhone. Here's the link.